Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy meme coins on Robinhood. First, you'll need to open a Robinhood account. Download the app or visit their website to begin the sign-up process. You'll provide personal information like your name, address, and social security number for verification. This is a standard procedure for financial platforms. Once submitted, Robinhood will review your application, which usually takes a few minutes to a few business days. After approval, you're ready for the next step. Once your Robinhood account is approved, it's time to fund it. Link your bank account securely to Robinhood for seamless transfers. You can deposit funds directly from your bank, and often, instant deposits up to $1,000 are available, letting you trade immediately. Before buying, take some time to research the specific meme coin you're interested in. Understand its volatility and community support to make an informed decision. With funds in your account, you're ready to place an order. Go to the cryptocurrency section in the Robinhood app and search for the meme coin you want to buy. You can use its ticker symbol or full name. Decide how much you want to invest. You can choose a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price. Review your order details carefully, then confirm your purchase. After buying, remember to prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account to protect your investments from unauthorized access. It's also wise to regularly monitor your meme coin's performance and stay informed about market trends. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so staying updated is key. For a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.